German freighter cut in two. Peruvian passenger ship up in Amazon jungle. General cargo ship BBC ZARATE in the morning February 15 collided with local passenger ship No.1 Hold on Amazon River near Iquitos, Belén district, Peru. BBC ZARATE struck passenger ship port side near midship section, inflicting heavy damages and practically cutting No.1 Hold in two. Luckily, all passengers on board were rescued, no injuries reported. It seems like BBC ZARATE remains stuck in No.1 Hold. BBC ZARATE was in Iquitos since February 12. It looks like BBC ZARATE was anchored while carrying out cargo operations, with No.1 Hold open. Passenger ship lost control or miscalculated her movements, and rammed into BBC ZARATE bow. General cargo ship BBC ZARATE, IMO 9,337,236, DWT 12,834, built 2007, flag Antigua, manager BOCKSTIEGEL REEDEREI GmbH CO.